Good morning. So at this point, you all know that air is matter, right? It has volume, right? It fills up the balloon, and it has mass. It's made of stuff, and therefore it has weight. And we know that because the full balloon was heavier than the popped balloon, right? So today, you're going to use all that stuff that you learned yesterday to write an argument, okay? You're going to write a paragraph to basically prove that air has matter. And in your notes, you've already copied down a graphic organizer that looks pretty much like this. Okay, you have your introduction, a couple reasons, evidence to back up those reasons, and then some kind of conclusion. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate how to use this graphic organizer to write your paragraph. And of course, I chose a different topic. It would be way too easy if I did my topic on does air have matter. That would be cheating, right? You got to do that on your own. So instead, my topic is that everyone should eat green vegetables every day. Should be a pretty easy one to persuade you on. So let's look how I filled out this graphic organizer. Okay, so my main idea is like my introduction. How am I going to introduce my topic? I said that green vegetables are good for you, and you should eat them every day. The whole point of this intro is to let your reader know exactly what you're going to be talking about. I don't want my reader having to guess, what's this essay about? Right? I don't want them to get 3 sentences in and still not know what it's about. I want them to know right off the bat that green vegetables are good for you and you should eat them every day. And now my reader's thinking, okay, so now I'm going to be looking for reasons why. Okay, so here are my reasons. Number 1, they're healthy. And number 2, they're low in calories, so you can eat more of them without gaining weight. For you guys, reasons 1 and 2 of why air is matter is that, number 1, it has mass. Number 2, it has volume. That's pretty simple for you guys. This is the most important part, the evidence, right? These reasons are meaningless without evidence. I could tell you that corn dogs are healthy. Do you believe me? Fried Twinkies are healthy. Do you believe me? Fried Oreos are healthy. Do you believe me? No, of course, because I didn't give you any evidence. We need evidence to back up our reasons, okay? So my first reasons, they are healthy. So what evidence? I did a little Google search, and I found some evidence, right? Vegetables are healthy because they're low in fat. They have a lot of important nutrients like potassium, fiber, folic acid, as well as vitamins A and B. Notice lots of details in here. I didn't just say, oh, they're healthy because they're good for you. I said they're healthy because they've got all these things, right? Folic acid, vitamin A and B, potassium, very clear details, okay? And my second reason is that they're low in calories and you can eat a lot of them without gaining weight. So what's my evidence? Are you just going to believe me? No, you shouldn't just believe me. Here's my evidence. Well, a 3-ounce serving of steak has 180 calories, while a 3-ounce serving of lettuce has only 13 calories. Okay? Do you believe me now that they're low in calories? You should, because I just gave you evidence. All right? Once you've completed that part, you guys got to move on to your conclusion. And your conclusion is just to kind of restate your introduction, right? You're basically restating it and saying, this is what I already said, okay? Exclamation point. So what I said is, next time you search the fridge for food, choose some green vegetables. I didn't repeat my intro exactly, but I more or less said the same thing, right? In my intro, I said they're good for you, you should eat them. And my conclusion, I said next time you go into the fridge, you should pick green vegetables. Pretty much the same thing, but I tried to make my finish strong. I gave my reader something to do, right? Something to think about, okay? Now, how am I going to use this graphic organizer to write my essay? So I wrote my essay down here at the bottom, and I'll kind of scroll up and down to show you. And you'll notice some words are bold or highlighted in red. Those are my transition words. Okay, those are really important in showing, first of all, when I'm moving from reason to reason, right? Here's my first reason, here's my second reason. But also, I need to try to connect my reasons to my evidence. Okay, so we'll look for words that we can do that. So here we go. Introduction. Green vegetables are good for you, and you should eat them every day. It's exactly what I said up here, right? Now I'm going to get into my reasons. First of all, green vegetables are healthy. Okay, now I need to give my evidence, right? How do I connect my reason to my evidence? I said I know this because, right? First of all, green vegetables are healthy. I know this because green vegetables are low in fat and have a lot of important nutrients like potassium, fiber, folic acid, as well as vitamins A and B. Okay, you see how I connected my reason to my evidence? I said, here's my reason. I know that because. Okay, moving on to my second reason. Additionally, you could also say next or another reason, right? But I chose to say additionally. Additionally, vegetables are low in calories, so you can eat more of them without gaining weight. There's my reason. Now I gotta connect it to my evidence. For example, right? Here's my reason. For example, a 3-ounce serving of steak has 180 calories, while a 3-ounce serving of lettuce has only 13 calories. And now I'm moving on to my conclusion. So, the next time you search the fridge for food, choose some green vegetables. All right? Feel free to steal my transition words, right? They're not mine. I didn't invent them, right? Use those. Just the main thing is connect the reason to the evidence. Reasons got to connect to evidence. And those transition words, I know this because, for example, those help connect them. Okay, down at the bottom, I've added some additional transition words, right? Other words to connect your reasons to your evidence. This proves that. And here's my evidence. And here's my, for example, this can be proved by, okay? So I'm going to share this document with you, or for you, with you, for you, with you, for you, same thing. I'm going to share this document in the Google Classroom, okay, so you can look at it. You can also always just pause this video and look at it here, okay? So go ahead and write your paragraph. Good luck.